Okay, so I have a beautifully bricked Droid Eris. Yeah, but I still love the phone, and I love it when I see people's iPhones with a cracked screen. So, to prove the screen's strength of what I would say every droid is that. Let's see here, it's 20 pounds, and but look at that, it's still good. So let's try a bit high. You know what, I don't want this to fall on me. Let's try a bit higher. It took that much, dropping a 20-pound weight, probably about 1.5 feet above the Eris, to actually break it. And even at that, wow, wait, this is the amazing part. It broke the inside of the screen, not the outside. This is, I don't know if you can see that. It's broken, but it's not broken on the inside. Wow, that's